Hello everyone, my name is Mentos22. I'm the owner and the manager of a Nightfall Club in Israel, and today I want to give you some review about game I played in the Premier League in Israel. I will say that the Premier League is the 10 best player in Israel that play together in this league, and I hope you get some tips from this review. I'll say that the spotlight I want to make about this game is I want to show you how in one investigation as a sheriff we can find all the black players. I repeat it, okay? I only had one investigation, and in 9 players I understood who exactly is the black players and who is the red players, okay? And I think you will find this solution also. So this game called mosquito game because in this game we talk about a lot about mosquitoes, but because the game is in Hebrew, I don't want to translate all the game. I will try to focus about the main thing I want you to focus about. So we start in 0 round. Every player took a position. Position it's like a statement or opinion about the game. So you can see in upper right, you can see I sum all the position of the players. Like player number 2 said 1 is gray, player number 3 said 2 is red, player number 4 said 1 and 3 are red, player number 8 said 1, 2, 5, and 7 are red. So everybody took position, but let's put some spotlight about some players, okay? First of all, you can see that player number 1, almost all players took him besides player number 3. Player number 3 didn't took player number 1. And 1 right now, as you can see, is the most reddest player in this game. And the most suspicious player in this game is player number 3 and also player number 4. They are most suspicious because only player number 4 took player number 3, and also player number 10 took player number 3, but only 2 players, and nobody took player number 4 at this game. So this is the main idea of how to make any position, and this will lead us to our next investigation. If you want, you can stop the video right now and try to guess who is the black, but there is not much information to decide who's black, so it's more like a guessing. But let's give you a more information. You decide by yourself who is the black one. So player number 10 asks player number 1, who do you want to split with? And player number 1 answer he want to split with player number 3, because player number 3 is very suspicious in this game, and he split with player number 3. After player number 1 and player number 3 spoke like a half and a minute, the host asks the players who wants to eliminate both of these players, and some players vote to eliminate it and some players didn't vote. But let's see who voted to eliminate player number 1 and player number 3. I will say I am number 3. I was a sheriff in this game. Okay, so it's a very important information to work with. So the players that voted to eliminate player number 1 and 3 is player number 2, Osmosis, player number 5, Phantom, player number 6, Hyper, player number 8, Schrödinger Cat, player number 9, Baby Boss. This is the players that wanted to eliminate it. 5 players, okay, 5 players that tried to eliminate it, 1 and 3. Now, you need to understand something. Most of the players will say, I'm the sheriff, and those players are trying to eliminate me, they must be black. Because if I'm red, okay, there must be black over there that trying to get rid of me. But in this game, we are trying to be more empathize with those players. And when one spoke, his half minute was very suspicious. And also, I suspicious him before the half minute. So actually, I can understand why people are trying to eliminate us together. I was very suspicious in 0 1, and also playing number 1 didn't give a good speech. So let's repeat it again. The player who voted to eliminate is 2, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Now after that, I check player number 8. Okay, in the night I check him, the host sang to me that player number 8 is red one. So I know right now that Schrödinger cat is a red player. But let's move to 9 round. In 9 round, um, a lot of happened. First of all, play number 2 nominated play number 4, and I nominated play number 1, and play number 4 nominated play number 2, and some players nominated also each other, 6 and 7 nominated each other. A lot of nomination in this round, but play number 8 claimed to be a red check, and I know he's speaking the truth because I checked him as a red one, but also play number 4 claimed to be a red check. So we have two red checks that nobody going to get rid of them, 4 and 8. One of them is my check, the real check, and one of them is the don't check. I'm not sure if play number 4 is a black one, but I'm sure this is not a true red check by the sheriff because I'm the sheriff. So a lot of players nominated, and we are going to elimination. In elimination, something amazing happened. Let's see. Okay. First of all, player number 5, 6, and 9 voted against player number 1. You can see the circle here and also the arrows. Okay, that vote against player number 9, 5, 6, and 9. After that, player number 1, 4, and 7 voted against player number 6. 8 didn't vote, his hand in the air. So we have 5, 6, and 9 voted against player number 1, and 1, 4, and 7 voted against player number 6. The rest of the player 2, 3, and 8 was voted against player number 7. Now, 3 of these players, those players got a half minute to speak again. Now, what player 1 did is very interesting because player number 1 starting to shouting, not shouting, but say that please don't eliminate player number 1 because there a red check, that 4 is a red check, and some players said that it's a good to check play number 4, and that's why do not eliminate play number 1. Actually, he tried to say he is revealed himself as a sheriff. He's not saying I'm the sheriff, but if you are listening to his words, you understand he asked from the town, do not eliminate me because I am the sheriff. Okay? But it not reveal himself as the sheriff. Now, because I am the sheriff, I know that player number 1 is black and lying is not the sheriff. I started to calculate all the votes that was. Let's see. Okay, again. Okay. So player 5, 6, and 9 was voted. Okay, against player number 1, and I know that player number 1 is black, so probably 5, 6, and 9 are more red in this game, but we're not sure about it, so I said probably, okay? But we can also decide that if player number 1 trying to vote against player number 6, okay, he mostly to be red because player number 1 tried to eliminate him, okay? So I know the 6 is red, I know that the 8 is red, probably red, I'm talking about 6, and probably also probably that 5, 6, and 9 are in the right direction. So if 5, 6, 9, I'm sorry, 5, 6, 9, and 8 are more red in this game, so what is remains? Remain 1, 2, 4, and 7. Now, it's a good time to remind you that play number 2 nominated play number 4, and play number 4 nominated play number 2, so probably they are not black together, okay? If they're not black together, who is the third mafia? Because one mafia is over here in one mafia between 2 and 4, and who is the rest? Okay, so it's player number 7 maybe could be black, because as we saw, a lot of players did a red moves. Okay, so in this round, we eliminate player number 7. Okay, we eliminate player number 7. And I remember at the night that player number 5, 6, and 9 tried to vote against player number 1, but they also tried to eliminate him in 0 round. Who also tried to eliminate player number 1, player number 3, player number 8, a great check of mine, and also player number 2. Player number 2, if he's black, he almost get rid with his dawn. And this is not a black against black move because black wants their dawn to be stay in the town. Okay, so who didn't vote? I didn't vote because I'm the sheriff and don't want to get rid myself. 4, 7, 10, but 10 was killed by the mafia, so it's okay. So 4, 7, 3, and 1. Okay? So yeah, you can see play number 5, 6, and player number 5, 6, and 9 voted twice against player number 1 elimination and also player number 2. So right now, I want you to stop the video and try to understand by yourself who is the black players. Okay? Who is the black player? You can understand it by this information, by only this information. I can tell you that after all this happened, after all the information happened, by 2 rounds, I understood exactly who is the black one. So I'm going to reveal who is the black one. I hope you did it by yourself, but of course that the black one is 1, 4, and 7. But you can understand it by voting. So this is how logic in Mafia game uh, can be developed. And I hope you had a good time for this video and you learned something. And till the next time, I was Mentos22. Thank you very much.